Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Spriggy Pocket Money application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spriggy Pocket Money app on your device, and once you open up the application, you will see the I'm a new user as well as login button. To create your new account, tap on I'm a new user and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Go ahead and type in your phone number within the given box and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter the authentication code that has been sent to your phone. After entering this code by checking your SMS, you can proceed forward and you will be allowed to set up your password. Go ahead and set up your password, and once you set it up, you can set up your username and all of your account information. After setting all of your account information, you will be logged in to your Spriggy application and you can choose whether you are a parent or a kid. And now you have set up your account and signed up successfully on the Spriggy application, and you can now use these credentials to log in at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Spriggy Pocket Money application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.